I'm back on another video and I'm doing a nature walk. This is my second mall and we're doing a nature walk. It's so boring. So we got out the house today and we just wanted to do something. What's that? If it's something back here. I know you heard that. You ready to turn around?
Yeah, we can turn around. As long as turn around.
So it don't look abandoned though.
Well, I ain't trying to clean the area so I can put some stuff back here for me.
Alright, come on, let's turn around.
Put that baby still.
Ain't that lighting good? Hold on.
And I'm black.
Black look good in the lighting.
Yeah. It's so silly.
Let's get from over this way.
It's lighting. The lighting right here.
It's so perfect. Record me. Hold me like that.
How can I record you? I can't see you.
Oh, let me see you dance.
I don't dance. Your daddy told you, right? I don't know how. And he was dead serious because he know I don't know how to dance.
It's so boring. We were supposed to do a mukbang today, but she don't eat crabs.
Who was going to pay for it?
You was gonna order us some Bite Squad.
Oh, did we didn't have sausage? That's what
I want my.
say that's what your dad wants.
Yeah.
Your dad loves that.
No, but I eat Zaxby's, but I wanted like some shrimp and stuff today. We could have ate some crafted crabs.
I mean, y'all could have got whatever y'all need. Your dad wants something with damn thing.
I wanted Zaxby's too. I said I'm the one who clicked on the Zaxby's. I had took a couple of pictures. That go the house right there. You wanna walk down there? That's Robert right there. That's where we, huh? Yeah, we gonna look. No, they got cameras, and then we don't got time for them people, and they are arguing today. They be trying to get us out. Nobody no.
When all of this over with, Airbnb.
And I'm coming with you. This is where I took my picture at. Melissa, that lighting right there was so. That picture right. I mean, that lighting right there so good.
I think if I wasn't here, you would be gone by now.
Mhm. Ooh, this light is so good, Melissa. Take a picture on your phone of me. Let me choose one. Come in.
You know, Snapchat kill you better.
No, I don't want that. I don't want that. Just give me a regular picture.
Just a regular picture?
Oh, who mask this is?
Come on.
Hold my thing, too.
You're going to kill me. Hurry up.
Hold it, make sure you see me. All right. Ready? Set.
You was back too close. I mean, back too far.
You saw me, though?
Nope. One more time. Right up.
Hold on.
I said, okay. I'm finna cut off.
I'm gonna walk back up this hill. Hold on, you guys, I'll be right back. Okay, we up the road a little bit more. It's dark down here. And these dogs down here. You want to tell them about that story when you was...
Talking about me in the woods?
Mm-hmm.
In the old abandoned house?
Mm-hmm. Come on, tell them. Come here, get closer. They got to hear your voice.
So, I mean, there's nothing to tell. I mean, I found an old abandoned house.
So tell them how you found it and what you did when you found it.
I mean, I found it because we got up one day and we decided we wanted to go walking in the woods. We found an old abandoned house. It was very old. I'm talking about very old, like day one stove, that type old. Day one furniture, that type old, like old antique stuff. We found it, and from that day forward, we got up every day and went to the woods, played in the old abandoned house. That was our playhouse.
It's still, that house still right there? Where y'all used to...
Yeah, but it ain't.
How are
You
y'all?
can't play in it anymore. It's real, real old.
You don't know if somebody could have died in that house?
I mean, we ain't seen no dead people.
That's a lot was short. When we get into the complex, neighborhood, I'm in the video, and we almost there. I need a haircut, don't I, Melissa? Nene back? I see her car. I remember one day, I had tried, I'm gonna show you, Melissa. I tried to do a backflip. I'm gonna show you. Well, you guys, thank you for watching my video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. When I get to 100 likes, I will post another video. And bye.